Hey everyone, welcome to today's video where we'll tackle a common problem that many content creators face when working with video production. The problem at hand is how to get a random opaque text color set in the video for each new production. The goal is to assign a different text color to the video output each time without any transparency issues. This can be quite a challenge, as transparent colors might sneak in and hinder the overall look of the video. Let's dive into how we can solve this issue effectively. In the solution provided, we learn that according to the documentation, we can specify the color using a specific format. By utilizing the random format when setting the text color, we can ensure that only opaque colors are generated, eliminating any transparency concerns. This approach has been tested and seems to work well, ensuring that each video production has a unique and fully visible text color without any unwanted transparency. In summary, we've addressed the problem of getting a random opaque text color set in video production and provided a reliable solution using the random format for specifying colors. By following this method, you can ensure that each video output will have a distinct and fully visible text color, enhancing the overall quality of your productions. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts on today's video. Keep creating and have fun with your projects.